Well, this is a government job for a friend at work, and what he needed was a drill guide. I drilled one hole through, and then I interpolated the hole to 21/64, and it it just went in there a second ago. Ugh. Yeah, there we go. Man, perfect. Okay, so this will bolt to an M8 existing hole in the block, and the slot is to allow a little bit of adjustment in case his 53 millimeters wasn't quite right. Okay, so that looks good. So then the second one is just a repeat with a slightly different sized hole as a tap guide, and that will help keep the tap more straight up and down than just trying to eyeball it. So that's what it be.